Hello friends, this crazy mobile app gives you money in a flash and you can download this app absolutely free on both Android and iOS, so if you want to earn a lot of money just use your phone. So this is for you. I will show you a step-by-step procedure on how you too can earn a lot of cash through your mobile phone. If you are someone who spends a lot of time on your phone through social media, and maybe too much time, this method can turn your free time into a pile of cash. So make sure to stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss anything important before starting. Welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel where we teach you how to make money online the easy way, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you ever have any questions or feedback about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. Now the app that you can earn money with is called Feature Points. Feature Points is a mobile app that pays users to download and complete online paid surveys. It is owned and operated by quora since 2012. This rewards app will reward you with points that you can exchange for Visa gift cards or PayPal money. It allows you to increase your income while working from home and doesn't require any prior skills to get started. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a smartphone or laptop. The thing about joining is that it's free and it can be an easy one. How to make money online? There are many offers available and there are several payment options including PayPal and Amazon gift card. Feature Points, as I mentioned, available for both Android and iOS devices. So which means almost anyone can install them. Now how you can earn money in Feature Points is that you can choose from many different surveys and you can also do the jobs available on OfferWall that they provide. If you want to join Feature Points and earn money, go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and type Feature Points in the search bar. Once you find the Feature Points app, make sure to click on Install and download it to your device. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel now. Let's get back to the video. Once the app is installed, make sure to go to the app itself. From there you will be greeted with options to sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can skip ahead and click on Sign Up and enter your credentials there. You'll need an active email address to join. Then you'll enter your last name and your first name. Then, you'll need to choose a password for your Feature Points account. If you prefer, alternatively, you can use your Apple, Facebook, or Google account to join rather than from scratch. Feature Points offer multiple possibilities and ways to create an account. This enables you to generate income from taking surveys to doing tasks such as downloading a paid survey. Taking app is one of the most effective ways to earn Feature Points with a large number of surveys. So, if you join, it is something to think about after completing the registration process. You can get 50 points by entering the referral code, then the Feature Points will prompt you to choose your first reward, which you can change at any time. Then you can do anything from installing apps to watching videos. And can start doing a lot of different things from completing surveys to reaching out. You have to first complete the About Yourself section, which consists of only 4 questions. Only your date of birth, gender, country, and postcode will be requested. After completing the task, you will get 10 points to Feature Points, which are given by marketing research organizations like SiteAbe, are made together with polished precision. To access more survey questions and receive more invitations to lack Caesar rewards and Tab Research sample, you must answer more profiling questions. You can open Tap Research and pull the fish panels after completing your first profiling inquiry. One of the most effective ways to earn Feature Points is a huge one. A number of surveys, so if you join, just answering the survey questions is something to think about. The number of surveys you will have access to in addition to the rewards you will earn on your Feature Points account varies greatly depending on where you live. But opportunities for paid surveys will be fewer. On the other hand, points are often good and worth leveraging as a way to increase your income. Another quick and easy way to earn money on Feature Points is by downloading apps. After login with Feature Points, you can view the apps available for download and earn money for earning points in this section. You must not only install the app but also follow the instructions that some apps require you to use for a few minutes, while others ask you to take certain steps, depending on the app. If the app is a game, you may have to play it for a while or reach a certain level to get a reward that way. You can earn money by downloading apps and doing whatever you are asked to do after downloading the app. These tasks can be things like reaching level 10 of the game, beating certain bosses, and of course the same other things like that. You can only earn this from your phone or tablet, as these are the only devices that allow you to earn by downloading apps. You can see exactly what you need to do to obtain your reward for installing the app and the terms. Sometimes all that is required is to download the program and run it for a few minutes. You may need to complete a level in the game you downloaded to receive your prize. Most of the time, the larger the prize, the more effort you must put in to achieve it, which is understandable. If you enjoy playing mobile games though, this could be a great way to learn about new games while actually getting paid to play them. Feature Points also allows you to earn cash back on products and services you buy from one of their partner stores. Many companies that support Feature Points cashback are companies like Adidas, Microsoft, Alibaba, Walmart, and others are among those that support this feature. Depending on the store and the things you purchase, you can earn anywhere from 0.5 to 27 cashback. Simply click the Shop Now link under Feature Points to buy the product directly from the merchant's website and get that extra cash back. Once you've earned enough points on the Feature Points platform, you can redeem the points for a number of different rewards, and the good thing is there are things for everybody. You can claim rewards such as money via PayPal, Amazon gift cards. You can also claim the points for Starbucks gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and so much more. Just make sure to head over to the Feature Points app and get started in earning cash the easy way. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.